So today we've got a hot new product, and if I'm not mistaken, it's actually multiple hot new products, and they're all from Metro Electronics. So let's see what they sent us. So the three products Metro sent us are a rear view mirror with a live video stream and dual DVR, a wireless mirror with built-in monitor, and a no-drill parking sensor kit. So that's kind of neat. So the no-drill parking sensor is probably the most simple of the three products, and what it contains is two sensors that you don't need to drill a hole in your rear bumper to mount. And this sensor kit, even though it will be behind your bumper, will allow for up to 3 feet of detection behind you, which is really neat. So it's important to mention that these no-drill parking sensors are made for plastic bumpers. They won't work on metal bumpers, and you just mount them behind with no drilling. So it also includes a speaker which will be mounted in the passenger cabin for 3-zone alerts that you can hear. So next up is two different versions of a monitoring mirror. Let's get into the cleaner looking one first. Got some instructions. Whoa. So in addition to your regular harness stuff, including a DC socket to power your mirror, this looks like it would be your camera. Some mounting hardware, and of course, this pretty neat mirror. So it's important to note that this mirror monitor you will actually clip on to your existing mirror. And the nice thing is it's wireless, so you won't have any cords running up to it. And you can use it as a regular rear view mirror, but it also appears with a 4.3-inch screen in the middle, which is triggered by the camera signal. And the camera obviously is mounted on your license plate. This is an excellent way to keep everything right in front of you in a super simple and easy to use way. Now, all of these things are part of Metro's iBEAM line of products, and they focus on in-car security and visibility. So lastly, what I'm assuming is the flagship of the three. This is iBEAM's TE-SM9. It's a rear view mirror and live video stream and dual DVR with all sorts of features. So let's get into this thing. It has a 170-degree rear view and a 170-degree front view angle, that's stated right on the box. And it includes a 1080p camera, so all of your recordings are gonna be pretty good quality too. So right out of the box, the first thing we see is a very neat looking mirror. This packaging, be careful with this. So unlike the previous one where there's a mirror with a screen in it, this entire thing is a screen, and it's meant to be looked at like a monitor rather than a mirror. Digging in, there's a lot of wiring for this. Lots of different sensors. Got your 1080p camera and the wiring to hook it up appropriately. You have some fuses. This looks like your power supply and ground. So this thing is really cool. It replaces your entire OEM rear view mirror, and the whole thing is touchscreen, which is really cool. The front and rear camera, one located on the back of the mirror itself, and the other one, which you mount behind the car, can record video and take photos from both the front and the rear to save to a micro SD card, which isn't included, sold separately. So either the front or the rear camera can scroll vertically to adjust the visual of the camera, and it will save that position for the next key cycle and all key cycles after. So sometimes it's not possible to get the right angle you're looking for when you mount the camera. They have a nice little bit of variability in that as well, so you can get exactly what you're looking for on the screen. So there's also the option to swipe from left to right to activate a split screen, which will show you the front and rear cameras at the same time. This will activate the ADAS visual and audible alerts when in the split screen mode. Should be noted that the mirror should be positioned in the vehicle to be viewed as a screen and not a mirror, as we mentioned before. Sun glare acts differently on a screen than a mirror, and positioning is key to this. This is meant to be viewed as a screen, even though the option is there to view as a mirror. So the primary features of this guy right here are a 9-inch full screen with real-time rear view image. It records at 1080p and 30 frames per second in both cameras, so you know all angles of your car are covered by high quality video, and features a dual channel DVR with split screen viewing. So installation is pretty simple. It includes all the hardware you're gonna need. It includes a variety of adjustable pieces. So this is a pretty cool system. iBEAM from Metro Electronics makes all sorts of cool stuff. So if you want to learn more about anything you see here, or if you want to check out the rest of their catalog, be sure to visit metraonline.com.